If you're getting clicks on your Amazon listing but nobody's buying, that's not an ad issue, it's a conversion issue. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to diagnose what's wrong with your product listing and how to fix it so you can turn those clicks into sales. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you an example of what a good product listing looks like. But before we do, if you wanna see more videos like this, don't forget to like and drop a comment and subscribe because I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, but let's get into it. Step 1, check your main image. Your main image is your billboard. It controls click-through rate. If people are clicking but not buying, it could mean your image is misleading. Or if CTR is too low to begin with, that just means that your main image isn't competitive. Ask yourself, does it stand out on page 1 compared to your competition? Does it look clean, fill the frame, and highlight the product clearly? Do you have an element of your main image that catches the customer's eye? And would you click on it if you were the shopper? I recommend creating 3 to 5 variations of your main image and split testing it using Amazon's Manager experiments. Step 2, optimize your title and keywords. Your title needs to do 2 things. 1, rank for keywords so customers can find your product. And 2, communicate what the product is quickly so customers click and buy the product. If your title is stuffed with a bunch of keywords that don't make sense to the customer, they'll bounce. You want a title that reads clean, is customer friendly, and keyword rich. Step 3, upgrade your images and A+ content. Think about this. The customer can't touch or hold your product, so your images and A+ content have to do the selling. You need infographics explaining the features and benefits. The customer should know everything about your product just by looking at the images. You also need lifestyle images showing the product in use, but personally, I like to combine lifestyle images and turn them into infographics as well. Comparison charts showing why your product is better than the competition, and A+ content that tells a brand story and reduces doubt. And according to Amazon, having A+ content on your listing can help increase your conversion rate by between 3 and 10%. If your images aren't answering questions or overcoming objections, customers won't buy. Step 4, optimize your bullet points and copywriting. Bullet points shouldn't just list features of your product. They should highlight the benefits too. Instead of saying made with stainless steel, you'd say something like durable stainless steel design that keeps your drink hot for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. Speak directly to the customer's lifestyle and problems. You also want to make sure that you have important keywords and keyword phrases in your listing so that it's SEO optimized. And when a customer searches for one of those keyword or phrases, that your listing appears organically on the page on Amazon. Step 5, build social proof with reviews. You can have the best product listing in the world, but if you have no reviews, then customers won't trust you. That's why I always recommend enrolling in the Amazon Vine program if you're eligible, using Amazon's request a review tool on every order, and building momentum until you have at least 10 to 15 reviews before you start running PPC ads. But remember, 10 to 15 reviews is the bare minimum. You should constantly be pushing for more reviews because the more reviews you get, the higher your conversion will go. If your conversion rate is low, you need to focus on reviews first because ads alone will not fix the problem. Step 6, price your product competitively. Now, I never try to compete with price on Amazon, but if you're a brand new product listing with low reviews, it's going to be hard to outsell a competitor with 500+ reviews at the same price point. I think that your product listing, your reviews, and the differentiator that you chose for your product are a much bigger driver to conversion rate, but you still want to price strategically. Start with a slightly lower price to build momentum, and then start to increase it as your reviews increase and your organic rank increases. But now let's go over an example of what a good product listing looks like on Amazon. Here I have the product listing pulled up for a dog bed on Amazon. And when we first look at the main image, we see that it takes up most of the frame. It's clear, clean, 3D rendered on a white background, and they add an extra element right there to catch the customer's eye, which is the dog laying on the bed. And then they have 5 infographics going over every aspect about the product, like the material, the filling, as well as the dimensions. They also show the fabric that it's made with, that it's machine washable, and then what size dog bed you should get for what size dog. The one thing that I would say is missing with these infographics is if it was my product listing, I would probably have some kind of comparison chart against my competitors. But overall, I think that these infographics are pretty solid, and aside from their reviews, probably one of the reasons why they're converting so well. And then they also have a video replacing the 7th image, which according to Amazon can help increase your conversion rate by up to 8%. And then we have their title, which is keyword rich, SEO optimized, easy to read, and they include some of their main keywords like dog bed, so that when a customer actually searches that on Amazon, they appear in the search results. Now, don't expect to get anything like this when you first launch, but their reviews are also really strong. 26,000 reviews, which means that they are review focused. They're trying to get social proof. They're probably requesting reviews from all their customers who place an order. Now, I don't even have a listing that has 26,000 reviews, but I will say that this is very impressive. Now, moving on to their bullet points, these are also keyword rich and definitely SEO optimized. And not only are they mentioning the features of the product, but also the benefits. So right here it says, effectively comforts dogs with strong supports to bony and joint areas, pressure relief, relieve joint pain, body aches, and arthritis. They're not just mentioning the features of luxurious padding support, but what that feature does and how it benefits the end user. Now we scroll down and we see this section right here from the brand. This is called Brand Story, which is an A+ content module. So they use it to cross-sell some of their other products, and then they also give more context about the brand itself. And then we scroll down here where it says product description, and this is where their A+ content is. And A+ content is where it replaces the all-word description with a description of both text and images if you're brand registered. This listing's A+ content is very clean, the images look professional, it gives even more context about the product, and then here they actually have something called premium A+ content, which allows them to add a video as well. I would say this A+ content does a really good job of telling a brand story, giving even more context about the product itself, and removing any doubt in the customer's mind that they may have about the product. They have their size chart here again, and then they also use it to cross-sell some of their other products. Overall, I would rate this listing a solid 8 out of 10. So if your Amazon listing isn't converting, don't just throw more money at ads, fix the foundation first. Nail the main image, simplify and optimize your title, upgrade your infographics and A+ content, focus on benefits in your copy, push for more reviews, and make sure your price matches your position in the market. If you do all of these things, your conversion rate will start to increase and your ads will start looking much more profitable. Now, if you want a more in-depth roadmap on exactly how I start, launch, scale, and optimize my products on Amazon, be sure to check out the AMZ Masterclass linked in the description of this video, where you not only get direct access to me to mentor you along your entire journey, you get a one-on-one Zoom call with me at the time of your choosing, where we can optimize your ads or your product listing. You also get access to the AMZ Masterclass listing creation service, where the same team who creates my high converting product listings will create yours. Our in-house freight forwarding service, where on average students save 30 to 50% on their shipments. Our product sourcing service, where my expert team of sourcing agents will contact, negotiate, get samples from manufacturers on your behalf. Our inspection service, our trademark service, the Amazon AI software that I created for students, and so much more. If you've ever been interested in learning how to sell on Amazon and want to learn how to do it the right way, or you just want to learn how to take your existing Amazon brand to the next level, the AMZ Masterclass is for you. But on that note, everybody, don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. And like I said, I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. But as always, have a blessed day, ladies and gentlemen.